Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Harmony One. As in my previous video, I was showing you that Harmony One has broken out a quite big down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and it has also broken out a quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this wedge and breaking out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, now the price line is about to hit a quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance zone. Previously, you can see that it has been breaking as a very strong resistance zone here back in the month of Feb 2021. And after breaking it out, it worked as a support here. You can see we had a nice bounce here, but after that, imminently, it also broke down this support as well. And since then, since after the month of June 2022, it is breaking as a very strong resistance zone. You can see we got rejection here, we got rejection here, another rejection here, and now the price line is again about to make another attempt to break it out. At the same time, there is also a quite big bearish divergence on this chart. You can see that the price line is forming a higher high, but at the same time, stochastic is forming a lower than previous high. And in today's video, we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the current month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for RIF, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. For example, I shared this trade signal a few days ago, almost 3 days ago on 25th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell targets on in the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Harmony One coin. First of all, let me just show you this previous falling wedge pattern breakout. You can see that it has been moving inside this previous wedge since after the month of April 2021 when we found the support here. And by the way, we found the resistance here in the month of January 2022. And since then, you can see it was not able to break out this quite long-term resistance. And after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents, and also got rejected by this long-term resistance of the down channel as well. In fact, it formed a double top here at this resistance of 3.6 cents, and after this double top, we had a very huge drop. And in fact, you can see that we found the support and resistance of this down channel when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. You can see we had a rejection here, we had another bounce here, rejection, and finally, in the previous week, we have broken out this resistance of the channel, and we have also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now, here you can see that this cloud is flipped into bullish cloud, and now it can work as a very nice and long-term support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at this bearish divergence, still we have this very big bearish divergence on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that stochastic is so far not able to form another lower, another higher than previous high. Yes, it is possible that soon it may form another higher than previous high. Then this move will be aligned with the movement of the price line, and this bearish divergence will be removed from the chart. Therefore, still there is a probability for a pullback or a retest. And in case of pullback, it can retest the previous resistance of this very big down channel as a support. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for this breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel where we have a quite long-term resistance of 3.5 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.